the challenge that I have for you is already written. You have a way to go. And again, like, this achievement is only step one. What you have done before now doesn't matter anymore. The moment of power, your power is now. The next minute is going to be your now. Next year is going to be your now. And I want to make sure that you begin to plan for your now. As we go into times where unemployment is at its height, where people are having a tough time managing, this is the time to see your way out. This GED, this graduation from training, is only a step towards your now. Your future is now. That is all I can say. Because most of what I could say you might not retain. But it is written right there in yellow. And yellow is a bright color. Your future is bright if you let it be. That is my job.